Your American colleague sends you a message. Heads up, we are in crunch time. Can you ping me when you wrap up?
And you stare at the screen thinking, heads up? Crunch time? Ping? Wrap up? What language is this?
This is American workplace slang, and today we are covering the 10 expressions you absolutely need to know.
Hey, I'm Sarah. This is William. Welcome to Learn English.
Workplace slang is everywhere in American companies, in Slack messages, emails, meetings, and hallway conversations.
If you work with Americans or in an American company, understanding this slang isn't optional, it's essential.
Let's break down 10 of the most common ones. B2 level, real examples, practical usage.
Expression 1. Ping me. This means to send someone a quick message, usually in a chat tool like Slack.
Ping me when you're free, or I'll ping you later. It's very casual and very common in tech companies.
Expression 2. Heads up. This is a warning or advance notice about something.
Quick heads up, the meeting moved to 2 o'clock. Or, heads up, the system will be down for maintenance tonight.
Expression 3. On it. This means I'm handling it right now immediately.
It's the most efficient reply to any request. One word. On it. Signals competence and urgency.
Expression 4. Booked solid. This means your calendar is completely full, no free time.
Can we meet tomorrow? Sorry, I'm booked solid tomorrow. How about Friday?
Expression 5. Crunch time. This is the final period before a deadline when pressure is at its highest.
It's crunch time, people. We need to get this done tonight. You'll know crunch time when you're in it.
Let's look at a couple of these more carefully.
Ping me comes from the networking term ping, a signal sent to check if a device is responding. Now it just means send me a message. Very Gen Z and millennial workplace language.
Heads up is useful because you can use it to soften bad news. Instead of, the client is angry, you say, just a heads up, the client is not happy. It feels less alarming.
On it is about signaling quick action. In a fast-moving workplace, it shows you're responsive and reliable. 3 letters. Maximum impact.
Let's continue to the second half.
Expression 6. Deep dive. This means a thorough, detailed analysis or investigation of something.
We need to do a deep dive on the customer feedback before the next product meeting. More detailed than just look at something.
Expression 7. Sync up. This means to meet or communicate briefly to make sure everyone is aligned.
Let's sync up before the call, or can we sync up on this project? It's like touch base, quick coordination.
Expression 8. Back to back. This describes meetings or tasks scheduled one immediately after another, with no break.
I have back-to-back calls all morning. It's exhausting just saying it, but very, very common.
Expression 9. Wrap up. This means to finish or conclude something, a meeting, a project, a task.
Can we wrap up in 5 minutes? Or, I'm wrapping up the report, I'll send it over shortly.
Expression 10. Behind the 8 ball. This means in a difficult position, at a disadvantage, struggling.
This comes from pool, billiards. The 8 ball is dangerous. Being trapped behind it leaves you with no good shot. At work, it means you're in a tough spot. Sync up and touch base are almost identical. The difference?
Touch base is more about a quick check-in. Let me know how things are going. Sync up implies coordinating on something specific, making sure you're aligned.
Wrap up is very versatile. You can wrap up a meeting, wrap up a project, wrap up a phone call, wrap up the year. It's one of the most useful workspace words.
Behind the 8 ball is for when things are genuinely difficult. Don't use it casually. Save it for real crunch situations where you're actually disadvantaged.
Remember, slang evolves. Some of these might feel dated in 5 years. But right now, in 2026, these are used constantly in American workplaces.
Practice time. Repeat these phrases after Sarah.
Ping me. Just ping me when you're ready.
Heads up. Quick heads up. The meeting moved.
Crunch time. We are in crunch time.
Wrap up. Let's wrap up this meeting.
Back to back. I have back-to-back calls all morning. You're doing great.
Final quiz. Fill in the slang.
Your calendar has no free time today. How do you describe it?
I'm booked solid today. Perfect.
You want to warn a colleague that the client is in a bad mood. How do you start that message?
Heads up, the client is not happy today. Excellent.
Your team is struggling because you're understaffed before a big deadline. What's the expression?
We are behind the 8 ball, and we are in crunch time both work. Smart.
10 expressions, and now your next Slack message or team meeting is going to land very differently.
Pick 3 of these and use them this week. You'll be surprised how natural they feel.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. See you next time.